today we're going to be playing with this ridiculous thing. It's a Tiger Star Wars Episode 1 The Phantom Menace battle droid binoculars camera. Essentially what it can do is superimpose images of characters from the movie onto your film. So yes, if you're wondering how this thing works, well, it's quite bizarre. You've got this wheel on the top, and what that does is actually wind a character past on this film on the back. Put your film over the top of it, and then you obviously close the whole thing up.